Hello friends, the topic of this video is construction of DFA over input symbol a comma b, which will accept triple b as substring. Means we have to construct the DFA which will accept all the string having triple b as substring. So substring is a part of string. So first of all I will write the some possible value which contain triple b as substring, and then we will construct the DFA for the same. So the possible value can be triple b. Now the string can start with a or b. So I will write a triple b, then triple b a, then double a triple b, or I can write triple b double a, then a b triple b, then b a triple b a, then b triple b, and so on. So these are the possible some of the possible strings. So from that possibility we will try to construct the DFA. So again in earlier videos also I told you the total number of states in DFA will be length of the substring plus 1. So here length of the substring is 3, so total number of states will be 4. So I will first of all I will draw the states. So Q0, then Q1, then Q2, and then Q3. So here triple B, first string is triple B, so I will write here triple B, and Q3 will be the final state. Then string can start with A, so A triple B is possible, double A triple B, triple A triple B is also possible. So if I apply the loop of A, it will accept any number of A. Now the string can end with A, so triple B A, then triple B double A, then triple B triple A. That is also possible. So I will apply the loop of A here so that it can accept any number of A. Now the next thing is let us say B A triple B, then B double A triple B, then B triple A triple B. Now what to do in this case? So B, if we come back from Q1 to Q0 for A, it will solve our problem. You can see B A triple B, then B A triple B, B A triple B. So it will accept any number of B. Now the next possibility can be double B A triple B, double B double A triple B, then double B triple A triple B. So this way is also possible. So B, then again there is triple E. So what we can do is we can come back for A from Q2 to Q0, so it will solve our problem. So if you see here B A, then triple B reach to final state, B A, B, it reaches to final state, and B triple A, any number of A, and then triple B reaches to final state. Now the last possibility is string can end with B. So B triple B triple B, then double B triple B, any number of B. So what to do in this case? So B, and then we can write here B so that it can accept any number of B. Now let us try to trace the string. Let us say B triple A triple B. Then what will happen? B A triple B reaches to final state. Now next possibility is triple A triple B. So triple A, 1 2 3, 3 times A, B reaches to final state. So all the possibilities are almost covered. So this is your final DFA which will accept triple B as substring. And that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.